Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe inside your homes. The COVID 19, a small microbe that is considered to be born from Wuhan city of China, paralyzed life, paralyzed every activity related to life. The sector that met with the huge losses is the educational sector because onset of April, from the April 2020, the middle standard schools are still shut. The partial mode of physical classroom teaching has resumed in high schools and higher secondaries. But unfortunately, the attendance of students is very least there, very low there. It is because of fear of COVID 19 infection. Their students, this virus separates through human contacts mainly, and we need to avoid mass gathering. But when we follow SOPs in letter and spirit, we can benefit ourselves in dual ways. One, we will save ourselves from the COVID 19 infection, and secondly, we can receive something good from our teachers because the physical mode has resumed in high schools and higher secondaries. Unfortunately, the students are not preferring to come schools because of fear. But today I'm suggesting you some things. It is only the suggestions. Dear students, you are to come school, you need to come school because the counseling and the guidance before examinations, before the start of examinations, you need definitely. Board is well set to conduct your examinations in the late November. So the guidance how to handle these examinations for different subjects, whether it's a mathematics, it is English, it is social science, it is Urdu, whatever it is, you need counseling. Dear students, right from April 2020, you are connected to us or you were connected to us virtually. That means through digital platform, not physically. Dear students, the virtual mode is never substitute for physical mode of teaching. Students need physically teacher in front of them to learn things well. Unfortunately, a huge chunk of students, that means large number of students were not in possession of Android phones and they did not receive anything from their teachers through digital platform. So they definitely need guidance and counseling. Counseling. Dear students, you must come school with all SOPs to be followed in letter and spirit and receive counseling and guidance from your teachers. Dear students, it is well in your knowledge that board has made a reduction in the prescribed curriculum, that syllabus. It is 70% syllabus that would be asked in the coming examinations and 30% there is reduction. And you have to skip some chapters and you have to prepare 70%. Which chapter would you skip and which you would prepare? A teacher knows better than you. A teacher knows how a question paper is designed by a board. A teacher knows how to handle the question paper. A teacher knows how you can fetch a good percentage of marks in the coming examination. So the counseling and guidance you need from your teachers. Their students, no doubt the fear of COVID-19 infection is there, and but when you follow all SOPs and precautionary measures, you can come to the school and by which you can receive the guidance and counseling that will benefit you in several ways. One way that by following SOPs you can defeat the COVID-19 infection, you will keep it at the bay. And second important thing is that the teachers will guide you and counsel you so that you can easily crack the examinations. For those students who remained virtually off, who did not receive anything virtually because of non-availability of these mobile phones, Android phones, they need guidance and counseling in these days. Dear students, you might be knowing it that one learner teacher, if when he delivers a single lecture in the class, a single lecture inside the classroom, it is worth is equal to 100 books. So a learner teacher, when delivers a single class inside the classroom, its worth is more than 100 books. You are not self-directed yet. You lack self-direction. Dear students, in these days, because days are now becoming shorter and shorter, only 15 or 17 days or 20 days after which remained after which your examination shall be taken. So do come school for 1 hour, for 1.5 hour, and for 2 hours. Receive guidance from teachers, and wherever and whenever you find any difficulty in any subjects, the teachers would be there. The teachers will guide you. Teachers will make you learn how to handle the question paper, how to manage the time inside the examination hall, and if there is 70% syllabus that would be asked in the board examination and 30% reduction is there, teacher will guide you in selection of these chapters and skipping of these some chapters. Dear students, these are only the suggestions. Hope you would act upon these suggestions, and you will attend school with all SOPs to be followed in letter and spirit, and this counseling and guidance will definitely help you, by which you can take your board to the bank, because pandemic caused great damage to your academic side. Dear students, these losses can be compensated if you work hard, if you receive guidance, if you receive counseling, if you concentrate hard, if you remain busy with the books day and night, you put extra efforts. Dear students, do come to the school. This is only my suggestion, not any force, so that you can benefit yourselves to the greater extent. Thanks. Be blessed.